Japan, a country renowned for its innovation and cutting-edge technology. From robotics to transportation, Japan stands at the forefront of technological advancement. As a tech enthusiast, I am constantly amazed by the incredible inventions that come out of this country. Let's talk about Japan's robotics industry. With companies like Toyota and Honda leading the way, Japan has made significant strides in developing humanoid robots that can assist in various tasks. These robots are not only efficient but also incredibly lifelike, blurring the lines between man and machine. When it comes to transportation, Japan is a pioneer in high-speed rail technology. The Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, is a marvel of engineering, reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. This efficient mode of transportation has revolutionized travel in Japan and set the standard for high-speed rail systems worldwide. In the field of healthcare, Japan is making great strides with innovations such as robotic surgery and advanced medical imaging technologies. These advancements have improved patient outcomes and revolutionized the way healthcare is delivered. And let's not forget about Japan's advancements in space exploration. With projects like the Hayabusa missions, Japan has proven itself as a key player in the exploration of outer space, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In conclusion, Japan's commitment to innovation and technological advancement is truly awe-inspiring. The country continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, shaping the future of technology for generations to come.